Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and take a closer look at this Trond Surge Protector with USB charger. It's a tower of plugs. There's 12 AC outlets on this tower and 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports on the top with a 20 watt PD rating there. And it's also got a surge energy rating of 1700 joules. It's got a retractable 5-foot cord and a slim plug on the end that's only 0.33 inches. Now it also has an 18-month warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and 100% satisfaction. Here are all the technical specs if you want to pause it there to have a closer look. But let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, we've got our welcome guide, and then we've got the Trond Surge Protector there. So again, there's 12 plugs around the outside, and then it's got a retractable cord. And these plugs have a max power rating of 1625 watts. Up here on the top, we've got 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, and one of them is a 20 watt PD port, and the others are smart ports. We've also got the power switch right here to turn it on and off. And I noticed there's 4 kind of rubberized feet on the bottom so it doesn't slide around on my desk there. Sharp looking unit with the white matte finish and gray accents. That'll look really good on my desk. But I did want to show you the cord here. So this is a retractable cord. And to retract it, we want to make sure nothing is plugged into the top portion here because this does spin and everything is just going to wind around it if we do that. So it's kind of a handle for winding as well. So we'll make sure that nothing's plugged in and then we can just pull out our cord just like that. And again, this cord is 5 feet long. So we can plug it in when we're ready to go. And then to wind it back up, again, make sure nothing is plugged into this top part. And then we can just wind it back in like that. And it's all cleaned up. So really that simple to wind and unwind. But again, just make sure nothing is plugged in there. And the nice thing about that is if you only need a foot of cord, you're all set. You don't have wires everywhere making a mess. So we'll go ahead and plug in the slim plug, and that's really slim. That's nice if you're putting this behind a couch or something like that, so it doesn't stick out too far. So I'll plug that in here and we'll power it on there. And there are some indicator lights. There's a power indicator light right there, as well as a surge protector light. And we can go ahead and plug in some of our cables here. So got a USB-C cable. We can plug that into the PD port right here. And I've got a USB-A cable. We can plug that into one of the smart USB-A ports, as well as I have a standard plug here that we can plug in to one of the ones on the side. And again, there's 12 of them. The handy thing is when you plug these in, because it goes around the tower, they don't really interfere with one another. So you can really plug in a lot of items here without them bumping into each other. It's a nice little unit and it'll work great on my desk. And I do really like that it's got the retractable cord so you don't have cords everywhere on your desk or beside your bed, beside your couch, that sort of thing. And again, that's the Trond Surge Protector with USB charger.